1988, I was down in Georgia. I was young. I sold some cocaine to an undercover police officer. I actually got a hard sentence of 9 to 5, came out, rebuilt my life, went back to college, got a full pardon, including the restoration of my firearm rights. But when I moved to Tennessee, suddenly the Attorney General opined that I would be ineligible to own a firearm in Tennessee. I called around several different lawyers all through the city. Mine is an interesting case. And every other attorney wanted $10,000 up front, or a lot of attorneys said my case was not worth fighting, whatnot. And David, being a gun rights advocate and knowledgeable in the law, he took my case and understood the complexities of the case and understood that, in fact, what they were doing was unconstitutional. David would answer my emails immediately. I'd be like, well, what about this? What about this? You know, sometimes you call attorneys, you don't hear from them for days, you know, or weeks. You're like, well, it's in my attorney's hands. I haven't heard from him in 6 weeks or whatever. David's the type guy, if you email him, he's going to email you back within the end of the day. What makes this firm different from other firms out there is their attention to detail and their willingness to do what is right for all of us that are involved in the litigation that they do. I'm definitely represented by the best. What David did was what many lawyers won't do, is take a case because it needs to be taken. David Raybin is a statesman's attorney. He's a true barrister.